this video, we're going to see important multiple-choice questions on equilibrium. Perfect for exams and concept clarity in engineering mechanics. Get ready to test your understanding of forces and balance. Let's begin. 1. A Coupling force system is in equilibrium if A, summation of Fx is equal to 0 only. B, summation of phi is equal to 0 only. C, summation of Fx is equal to 0. Summation of phi is equal to 0. And summation of moment is equal to 0. D, resultant force is minimum. The answer is option C. Summation of Fx is equal to 0. Summation of phi is equal to 0. And summation of moment is equal to 0. 2. For a body to be in static equilibrium, the necessary condition is A, summation of F is equal to 0 only. B, summation of moment is equal to 0 only I. C, summation of F is equal to 0 and summation of moment is equal to 0. D, acceleration equals 0 only I. The answer is option C. Summation of F is equal to 0 and summation of moment is equal to 0, 3. If a system of forces acting on a body produces no motion, the system is said to be A, motion. B, dynamic state. C, equilibrium. D, inertia. The answer is option C, equilibrium. 4. A roller support primarily resists forces in which direction? A, horizontal. B, vertical. C, both A and B. D, rotational. The answer is option B, vertical. 5. The reaction at the roller-supported end of a beam is always A, vertical. B, horizontal. C, inclined. D, 0. The answer is vertical. I ray, aber gas. Option A, vertical. 6. Two forces, 20 and 4, act at a point on a body. The resultant when they act at 60 degrees is A, 10 raised to OB. 28 raised to OC6, raised to OD, 8 raised to OL, using formula. R is equal to under root FFA squared plus FA squared plus 2FX theta equal to under root 2 squared plus 4 squared plus 2 3 4 cos 60 degree equal to under root 4 plus 16 plus 8k under root 28, that is 28 raised to half. The answer is option B, 28 raised to 07. If the resultant of two equal forces has the same magnitude as either force, the angle between them is A, 30 degrees, B, 90 degrees, D, 120 degrees for equal forces, RGA, 2F co. If R, 2. If RJHAF, then F co, 2F cos, theta by 2. That is cos. Theta by 2 equal to 1/2. So theta by 2 equal to 60 degrees, that is theta equal to 120 degrees. So the answer is option D, 120 degrees. 8. When two or more forces acting at a point are combined into a single force, it is called A, equilibrant. B, resultant force. C, couple. D, load factor. The answer is option B, resultant force. 9. The resultant of two forces, 10 Newton and 10 Newton, acting at 90 degrees is A, 10 Newton. B, 20 Newton. C, 14.1 Newton. D, 0 Newton. So we know the formula of resultant U on under root 10 square plus 10 square equal to under root 200 JJ 14.14. The answer is option C, 14.14. The magnitude of the resultant is A equal to 1 force B, greater than 1 force C, less than 1 force D0. We know the formula of resultant E2F. Cos 120 degree by 2, QHU at 2F cos 60 degrees. UF, the answer is option A, equal to 1 force bracket 11. A body is said to be in equilibrium when A, it is moving, B, it has acceleration, C, net force and moment are 0, D. Only velocity is 0. The answer is option C. Net force and moment are 0, 12. The centroid of a composite section lies outside the material area when A section is symmetric, B, material density varies. C loads are eccentric, D. The section contains voids or cutouts. The answer is option D. The section contains voids or cutouts 13. The centroid of a composite section lies A, always at geometric center, B, outside the section C. At the point where the first moment of area is 0, D, at the point of maximum stress. The answer is option C. At the point where the first moment of area is 0, 14. The unit of moment of inertia in SI units is A, meter raised to 4, B, common raised to 4, C, meter raised to 2, D, Newton meter. The answer is option A, meter raised to 415. Which section has the highest moment of inertia for the same area? A, circular section, B, square, section C, rectangular section, DI section. The answer is option DI, section 16. If coefficient of friction mu equal to 1, the angle of friction is A, 30 degrees, B, 45 degrees, C, 60 degrees, D, 90 degrees. Angle of friction, phi relation 10 phi mu. If mu equal to 1, then phi 45 degrees. The answer is option B, 45 degrees. 17. If the angle of friction is 30 degrees, the coefficient of friction is A, 0.5, B, 0.5, 77, C, 0.8660, 1 mu A can, 30 degree, each A 0.577. The answer is option B, 0.577. 18. Friction always acts in a direction A, opposite to relative motion or tendency of motion B, perpendicular to motion C, same as applied force D, vertically downward. The answer is option A, opposite to relative motion or tendency of motion. 19. Angle of friction is given as A, sin inverse mu B, cos inverse mu D, sin mu D, sin mu. The answer is tan inverse mu 20. The centroid of a composite section lie when A, section is symmetrical, B, density is uniform, C, there are holes or cutouts, D, load is 0. The answer is option C. There are holes or cutouts out.